Welcome students, in this video discussing about how to solve problems using rational number properties. Okay, let's see. I'm going to solve this problem.
Before doing that, I recollect important properties of law. Look here, commutative law, associative law, and third one is distributive law.
What I'm going to do, my first step is to rearrange rational numbers. First, do multiplication, so split 3 groups. But using property, here 2 upon 5 repeated again. So according to commutative law, I rearrange the third group position without affecting the other. Step number 2, to apply distributive law to rational number equation. I'm going to show how to apply distributive law. According to distributive law, here 2 upon 5 repeated 2 times. So obviously A is 2 upon 5, likewise B is minus 3 upon 7 and C also. Finally, I write the short form of equation, that is 2 upon 5 multiplied with minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. Look here, we need to find LCM for fraction addition. Finally, got answer is minus 11 upon 28.